What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. So Renderforest reached out to me again because last time when we worked together you guys were really stoked on those intros, and obviously right now we are back with tons more. There's even AI as well involved in this, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So as you can tell right here, we are on the Renderforest website, and obviously guys, there is a 20% discount as well going on right now. So if you use the code on screen or the link in the description, it will take 20% off straight of your order. You want to go ahead and actually export those in like the highest quality, and you can get 20% off using the code or the link down below. Okay, so as you can tell right here, we have tons of intros, and this one actually looks familiar though because I've used this one for years, which is obviously the retro one, the futuristic logo reveal. So they have tons and tons of different options. So right here, if we click on the videos tab, it will actually like show you like what's trending and what a lot of people are using. So there's a ton of those intros ready for you to customize, and you can add your own logo, you can add in and change the name. So right here on the top it says explore AI. So it has the AI video generator, it has text to video AI animation generator, we have the video editor, and we have tons more. So let's go ahead and pick the commercial generator. So this is actually very nice if you want to create an ad, for example, for your own YouTube channel or like one of your hobbies, you want to promote that online. So let's go ahead and click on the real estate slideshow, and then right here it says use the real estate slideshow template to present the parameters of selling estate, including houses, apartments, or commercial buildings. Right here, you can choose your scenes, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on edit this preset. You just have to fill in your phone number, address, your email of the company, or it can be anything. If it's like music related, it can be your band, it can be the band name right here. We can have your logo and then tons of other clips because everything is customizable. This is just an example or like a placeholder, you know, the real estate topic, but this can work for everything, no matter if you're having a little like shop on Etsy, for example, or somewhere else. So then if you filled in everything right here on the very top, it says export, and also on the bottom here in the middle, you can go ahead and preview what you have generated. So as you can tell right here, when I play this back, it's actually having all the transitions for you. You just have to customize the text. You can change the backgrounds. This is just an example, like I mentioned before. You can completely change this to whatever it is that you're doing. That's pretty much one of the AI features that Renderforest offers. Like one of my personal favorites is obviously the AI logo generator. So you can pretty much type in any kind of logo that you like for whatever it is that you're doing. If it's a profile photo for your YouTube channel, for a Discord server, anything like that, you can just type it in and it's going to create that just for you. So let's go ahead and create one and let's see what the results are. So the prompt is going to be generate a YouTube channel logo that is tech related that makes instructional videos. So let's go ahead and click on the generate AI logo and let's see what this one comes up with, because it's using AI, so it has to go ahead and improvise a little bit, and let's see if this is actually relatable or not. So right here on the left, you can choose what kind of style it is, if it's 2D or it has to be 3D. So I'm going to pick geometric. I think that style is very nice. And then on the bottom it says do magic. So let's see what that does. Okay, so right here on the left, as you can tell, those are the logos that it got created. So it's very nice that it actually included the YouTube logo, because if you would use this, for example, on Facebook or on different websites, it's actually very clear that you have a YouTube channel. So they have 4 of those logos, and as you can tell, it actually included the YouTube logo in all 4 of them. So what I would recommend is just keep optimizing your prompts until it got it perfect, and then you can actually just keep on generating until it's perfect, because obviously it's not going to get it perfectly down how you want it based on the first prompt. So you just have to do a little bit of tweaking, but it's getting there for sure. So guys, as you can tell, a lot of different AI features. I'm going to leave the rest for you guys to explore. I'll leave the link down below. And obviously right here we still have our classic YouTube intros that you can go ahead and edit. And what's funny is when I clicked edit on this template, obviously that you guys have seen throughout the years, it actually reminded what logo I used. And obviously on the right, you can choose all your different styles. So you have to give it a few seconds on the bottom, as you can tell, for it to finish rendering. But as soon as it's finished, as you can tell, you just have to add in your own custom music like I did. And this is pretty much how it generates your intro. It's very, very nice. And obviously you guys have seen this over the years 1,000 times. It even says it's Wednesday, because we always had Vegas Pro tutorials on Wednesday back in the day. That's really, really cool that it actually didn't change. And then obviously when you're finished with your video, you can just go ahead and click on export on the top right. You pick HD 1080p, and then you just download it straight onto your computer. You drag it into Vegas Pro, and that's pretty much it. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and thanks a lot for the continued support. Make sure to check out the Renderforest site down in the description, and don't forget to use the code, because that's going to actually save you 20%. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.